start recording. All right, I'll start recording and streaming. Multitasking now. So where does the game start again? It's been like 2 weeks since I've worked on this too, so it's a bit delay. Sorry, but it's the truth. So I can go new game. Hey, oh boy, how are you? Okay, menu, new game. That's good. If menu choice. Well, I accidentally streamed, and my girlfriend's the only person who's following me so far. But other than that, quite well. Ugh. This change scene should go to home, I think. And then, why is it going from... No, it should go to dream. Dream? Which is in the wrong spot. All the other dreams are like in the middle there. Yeah, it's still number one, babe. Main choice, dream. 2 followers. Wow, I'm off to a great start. Woo! My accidental stream's going amazing. Run if player has saved the game. Game data load. Following you. Good. We're all following one another. I should follow Hellboy too, but I don't know how to do that. I'll find out how to use Twitch, because I don't know how to use Twitch. I was just guessing to get here, and that's why I accidentally started. It's not too bad to have followers even if you don't stream. There's no negative impact to that. So, run if player has saved game. Game data load, which makes sense. The game data should do it. The switch scene though should be in the up direction. Fade speed's fine. All right, then we go to the last one. You didn't stream like over 180 days ago though, did you? Or did you? Oh, that's interesting. Did you stream before? Oh, that's pretty cool. 130 followers is not bad. That's better than my 2. I've streamed once by accident, so it's not all... I'm doing pretty well, I think. Okay, so this is all the debug stuff. This is the reset variables. Oh, okay. You've uploaded and recorded vids. I didn't know that. What? My computer's doing all right. I'm recording this and streaming, and I'm only using 23% of my CPU, so that's pretty good. Wi-Fi though is even better, using more Wi-Fi. Debug set to 0, reset bars. If variable compare with value, yes. So this is, yep, that makes sense. Placeholder number is this. I want that displayed. Would you like to be male or female? Yep. Set player sprite sheet. Yes. Okay. Bro, I'm like, does your computer chug when you're streaming, babe? On the wrong screen. Wrong screen. Breakfast game. Press start. Continue. Placeholder number 1. Male, female. Female. Sure. Okay, so debug is turned on. Yeah. green flames. I'd imagine that'd be quite spectacular while your computer's burning up, but it'd be short-lived. Go get the key. Want somebody? I gotta fix that up. The key stuff, I think. And some of this coloring is not great. Yeah, yeah, that was actually really good. That was a lot of fun playing Among Us the other night. Okay, so let's interact with this guy, but he doesn't say anything. Why doesn't he say anything? What's this guy's code? He's just there. He's got no code for him. So, committee. He would only appear when the story is... Yeah, the committee guy. So that guy's on the committee. What's the story with the mayor again? It's been so long since I played this. Here, mayor story, which is number 9. Work on the project, then you finally get back at home at 3 a.m. After 3 hours sleep, you wake up slowing sound. You haven't eaten in what is it? Breakfast time. Mayor ending. Because this guy's just bonus contact. Best split. Yeah, I know. It was a lot of fun though. Ash! Hey! Ash is following me. Is she here? Ash, you here? Why are you... How'd you find out? Did you find it from Bink's Discord? What was I doing again? Oh yeah, this guy. He doesn't have any content. Stalking. Yeah, there's no surprise there. Dialogue. Text display dialogue. So he's part of the committee, I'm guessing. I don't know. I made this game. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So what is the committee? Yeah, no, Bink's Discord. But also stalking. Yeah, okay. That's fine. I understand. I'm not going to hold that against you. What happened? What was the committee thing? Well, the committee was one of these. Is it this guy? No, that's number 4. Number 4 is this guy, the committee guy. Event speed, Mal, switch. That's number 4 too. You. And that's guy's got nothing to talk about. Nice cover. What house is it? That guy. This is such a mess, spaghetti mess. Why won't you allow us to pill about the children? Alright, there's no children. Wonder why that is. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, so it's the playground. The people want the playground, and the committee meeting is having issues. Okay, playground. Committee. Yeah, yeah, I really accidentally streamed. I was just playing around with Twitch and OBS, seeing how to use OBS to stream to Twitch. But yeah, I accidentally went live instead of just testing, and here I am, continuing on streaming. Some dots. Okay, he's got content. Random story equals 4. That's a no. He's got nothing. What is this guy? Banana Corp. Oh, that's fine. He doesn't appear unless it's the Banana Corp ending. Yep, the girl talks on random story 9. This guy talks on random story 6 and 8 changes. This guy talks on different one as well. All of that's implemented. The different, so story done, variable false. If breakfast quality, if debug set display breakfast quality, if the breakfast quality is more 30, yep. If the breakfast quality was done. So then the only thing I've got to do now is implement the menu checklist to say what. Sorry, Subway. Say what story endings have been done, which means I've got to go back into my editing software. And by editing software, I mean Microsoft Paint. And change the backgrounds. And text. So to start with, I will do you and delete that. Text. Small text, that sounds good. Oh, that's not small text. I need it to be less than 8 pixels high, so let's go with 7. That's a lot bigger than I want it to be. 7? Oh, bless me. 3? Oh, not 36. Paint, you don't know what you're doing. That looks about right. What is the menu gonna get called? It should. Thanks, Ash. I blessed myself there. It's okay. Thanks, Binks. I blessed myself though. It's okay. I think 3 is too small. Is 4 too big? Oh, 48. That's way too big. Yeah, I think 4 is better. Four's not good. I'll order food eventually. I'm not that hungry, in all honesty. 4's a bad size though, so I gotta go like way bigger. So I'm gonna guess 8. 8 makes sense in my head. And then, why is 8 so big? I don't understand how Paint's doing this. It doesn't make a lot of sense. No, that's alright. I'm okay. I'm an adult and I'm good at adulting. And by good, I mean that is a very loose term. Can I do guidelines? Guidelines! Oh my god. Perfect. Okay. Breakfast ending. And what happens if I control S save? Yeah, breakfast ending is definitely in the wrong place. I should also capitalize that a breakfast over that ending over there. Because I think it's a good idea. Control CB ending. And scroll over. Yep. And then Control S. And then breakfast ending needs to be Control S. Yes. Okay, cool. Now I do them all down. So what are the other endings? I've already forgotten what endings are in this game. Secret ending is next though. How far off is that? That's about right, but now the breakfast ending looks like it needs to be moved down 2 pixels. I moved it over 1 to the right. Roll it there. I'm definitely doing this professionally. It looks amazing. In Paint, as you would do. Okay, so what are the other endings? There are. I had them. Did I have them somewhere? I'm finding out if I had them somewhere. This game. I did not have them anywhere. Yeah, probably mainly knowing me. Okay. What's next? The secret ending. What are my other endings? It would be a good start to know that. So, not debug. Event group. No, it's home. Switch. The first ending is the port ending. Port ending, enter. And then we remove the port ending to be I should delete that and put ending at least capital. Cool. Then It's definitely like there. Control S. Think. Yeah, okay, so that's up one. That's up one. Up 1 pixel. Welcome back, Hellboy. Alright, the next ending. After the port ending. When 2 is drought ending. Drought ending. Awesome. Whoop. Jerry Studio, please. Oh no. Oh no, what'd I do? Drought ending. Now there's a bit more space between the top half and the second half, so I think like there. And there. It needs to be moved down 1 pixel. Yep. Awesome. Drought ending. What is the next ending then? Yes, I did the capitals. Oh no. Dream. It's not dream, it's next to dream. When value is 3. Prison ending. Prison ending. Click off. Review. Cross. I'm going to guess there. Down 1 pixel. Oh, cut off the top of the E. Control S. There's a lot more. Close P. Nah, that's perfect. P's higher. That's all it is. I'm tempted. There's a Triumph Model 1 typewriter on eBay for £60. Yeah, that's a tough one, man. I don't know anything about typewriters, but if you really want it, I mean, should you get it? How much do they normally go for? That's the real question. If that's a steal, then you probably should jump on it while you can. I do believe they type words. That does make sense. Vampire ending. Good. Woo. Yeah, go up there, I think. Or higher. Whoop. What's good for the average? Well, it depends on which style typewriter, really. Yeah, I would imagine they work differently. But the basic function's the same. I know nothing else about typewriters. Oh, you did use one. I think like at my primary school, it had an electric one for some reason. Vampire ending, is that... It looks about right, actually. I should move it up 1 pixel. And then, yeah, so now it's centered on the top. Yeah, it does make a lot of sense. It does make a lot of sense. All right, so the menu page 1 is done. Now I have to do, I want to delete that event. Does your mum have one? On initialize. So random story quest, set animation frame quest 1. I'm not using the quests. Set animation. Random story. I don't want it on random story. If variable's true, random story. That makes a lot of sense. Now, which story is the first one? Breakfast story. Breakfast ending. Is true set to this. Secret ending. Leave requests. Collect sausage. Breakfast ending. Sucky player ending is the secret ending. Port ending is hopefully I'll put it in as port. Port ending good. Drought ending. That's the love story ending. What do I call that ending? Robo story, no. Random name. Vampire story, water story. Cool. Magic story, soldier ending. Prison. No, I did it way before the prison. Like, playthrough count, breakfast ending, collect bread, collect cheese, female, amnesia, random name. What's so good about the 1928 Remington Portable? It's the water story. No, yeah, I can understand the confusion there. Prison story done. Vampire ending. Vampire. Story done. Now, essentially I want to make the exact same thing, but for 2. It's proper nice land. A Royal typewriter. Is that a brand? I'm gonna have to look this up. Oh, I see. That's a Royal typewriter. That would actually be really cool. Really cool, I think. Okay, so menu page 2. I'm essentially going to go to backgrounds. It's going to go file, save as, and go instead of backgrounds and go menu page 2 and go yes. So that overwrites that now, and now I can just go delete and then type the next 6. Scotland's a little far away from us, man. But it would be really cool to see. I shouldn't have done that. I'm going to delete them all except the breakfast ending. And then align with the breakfast ending. So what is the next ending that I have to work on? Here's the question. What was after when 5? Amnesia ending. Do I have enough space to write amnesia ending? I'm not even sure I know how to spell amnesia. I can find out pretty quickly with my desktop. Don't forget the caps though. Oh, that'd be amazing. I love coffee. That being said, I was a barista for years. A bit worried that I won't be able to smell coffee the same way anymore because I've become what is it, desensitized to it. If I do this right. And that should be perfect. Yeah, well, it's 9 views out of nowhere. That's pretty cool. Maybe. Yes, I am, but I've been a barista for years. Oh, hopefully that'll change soon. I'm sick of being a barista. Oops, I've got the wrong thing selected. What is 6 robot ending? See you, Ash. You're right. I've moved the thing that I'm working on. Smart move would be yeah. It's kind of boring at this point. Needs to go up. Perfect. Robot ending. Magic ending. Up 1 too high. 1900s to 1950s Royal. So to fix that up. Two of two. Now what's after the magic ending? 7, 8. Game Boy ending. That's probably about right. Game Boy ending has to be moved down 1 pixel. Wow, 50 minutes on a stream already. Not doing too bad for myself. Oh. Disboard machine broke. Now it's fixed. Understandable. Have a nice day. Thanks, Lucent. Asha's still here. I thought she was leaving. Alright, Game Boy ending 9. So this is Mayor ending. These are the endings I came up in my head. There's no actual set things. So if anybody's wondering how I'm coming up with these, it's just straight out of my head. Whoops. Now let's see how close I can get this one without. It's definitely 2 that way. I think. Gotta not look. It is not raining here, but at least the sound of rain on the roof is not a horrible sound. May ending up 1 too high. So close though. Perfect. Alright, one more ending, which is, I think, the Super Soldier? Yeah, Super Soldier. Still makes typewriters. Do you spell soldier? Yeah, apparently. Yeah, just doesn't look right sometimes. Yeah, you get that and it's just like, yeah, that word just doesn't look right today. Release a new model. When I looked them up, they had a whole bunch of parts as well. Because that's what I looked it up just before, and there's parts and everything that people were searching for. When I looked up Royal typewriter, now I type parts. Go shopping. Yeah, there's all sorts of parts. I'm not sure if they're new or used, but there's still heaps of parts on the internet for them. Specifically the typewriter ribbon. Squeaky mouse. Who would buy a typewriter in 2019? Like, I mean, a new one. Like, I get that people would buy like retro ones, but new one? Perfect for this soul journey. Yeah, I guess that's true. We're all pretty into Game Boys. Speaking of, my new Game Boy has come. I've ordered all the parts for my new Game Boy, so that's gonna be fun. So Amnesia ending. Amnesia story done. Robot ending. Story done. Magic ending. Magic healing. This is probably smarter. Magic story start. Or story start. You get cool keyboards for them? That's really interesting. Magic story start. Prison story start. I'm gonna have to double check that. Game Boy ending. Mayor ending. So ending. Ending them? No. So how does one know about the magic ending? Which one is it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Ah, it's called Magic Healing. What? I did not follow the convention for that. Don't know why I didn't follow the convention. Unit. Scene restore from previous stack. Like, how do I get to... Should I just... Probably attach script to button. Script to button, and I want to go start. Persist between scenes. Store scene on stack. So let's go. Press the play button. 1970s typewriter would be actually really cool to see. It's taking a little longer than normal. Script runner, eh? Warning 85 in function render screen if unreferenced local variable temp. That's odd. Cool, yep. Breakfast game. New game. Now enter, shift, enter, shift. That didn't work. When did I is it here? Start. One press. Yep. Switch scene change to main menu page 1. Page 1. Alright. Then that should hide the actor. Now let's try again. Breakfast game. Idea is simple. Go ahead and get the ingredients. Go make yourself breakfast. This is a playthrough number 1. Now would you like to be male or female? Perfect. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is when you've gone to the menu to check them, you need to go set variable to true. This is not going to be a local variable. This is going to be menu count. No, from menu. Then on dream, I need to go variable is true, which is going to be from menu. We don't need to go and we don't know to Texas. We don't need this. We don't need this. So from menu true. Set variable to value menu from menu 0. So saying if it's true, set menu to false. Else, do this. That makes sense to me. Anyone else? Well, 621 is it automatic? What does an automatic thing mean? Does it just reset the thingamabob by itself? Yeah, I'm using some technical terms now. So let's test that out. Sounds right? Okay, good. As long as it sounds right. We're going to find out in a second anyway, so it doesn't matter. So once it should play this. Ingredients, go make yourself important breakfast of the day. Breakfast, playthrough number 1. Now, would you like to be male or female? I don't want it to play that if you'd like to be male or female again when I go to the menu. So the menu says what endings you've got. They'll become a tick. It's still set up. So, what have I done wrong? Joypad. I know what I've done wrong. Set screen. I've gone menu page. Menu page. So I've gone restore scene from stack, which means it's going to restore scene from stack and then, because it can't run the variable after scenes from stack, it has to be before, because it ends that part of the script. No problem, Hellboy. Go get yourself some food. I will be getting something to eat soon. I have no idea what yet. Breakfast game. Go ahead and do the ingredients. Got 10 views. That's pretty nice. Breakfast. Let's see if anybody on off topic GB Studio. Oh damn. Nobody. It's okay. It is like in the middle of a day in America. Sushi? No, nuggets. probably no. Yes. Okay. So now if I go here, set myself to mail, saving, I'll disable the debug because I don't need the debug anymore. Close that. Debug is setting here. Set debug to 1, and that will disable the debug and make it random again. This is all good. Start doing this, testing this stuff by actually playing the game. Something I should do, though, I know it's just going to annoy everybody if I don't do, is and go you. Keep that last one, yep. And then, no, everyone will complain if I didn't do that. I betcha. And then I should go save that one, and then open up backgrounds, menu, page 1, edit, zoom in, go Control V, replace the A and the C, Control S, and that's done. And now achievements is capitalized, and nobody can complain about me not doing that. Okay, that's done. What was the next thing? I've got the title screen, I've got the menu screen. I've just got to fix the text for the key, I think. It's on interact, it's not a key. So because all the text gets broken up. So what I should do no more larger office. Oh, typewriter. Typewriter, gotcha. Copy event. Yeah, copy event. Place event before paste. And before here. Cut U. Control X. Increase U. Add U. Delete event. And then essentially copy this again. Copy. Paste event before. Control X. Open, paste, delete event. Copy event. Paste event before. Control X, Control V, Control X, Control V, delete event. Okay, so what happens? That makes more sense. And I just can disable that in case it goes wrong. Do. Don't know why I got the Adams Family stuck in my head randomly. I think that's pretty much the game done. Mechanically, anyway. I've got to do something with this house because this house does absolutely nothing. And then there's some coloring issues which you can't really see, but you can see when I launched the game at the outside, which I'll try and fix up. It's just a bit hard with it being the way it is, with like all the collision stuff. All right. Welcome to the breakfast game. The idea of the game is to go and get the ingredients to go make yourself the most important meal of the day, breakfast. This is playthrough number 1. Now, would you like to be a male or female? I will go select male. It should say you are male. Saving, and that would be random. Robot ending. That's what that says. Breakfast time. I can't leave. So this is the first thing I need to fix. Is the key. When you leave, yeah, cool. So that's better. It doesn't break up the dialogue tree when I do that this time. Okay, so where are those errors in the palettes? They are more noticeable. See there. So this one here needs to be fixed up. So if I click on you, I just go, what color is it? It's this one. That's these two. You and you need it to be. Hopefully that fixed it. Doesn't look like it, which is awkward. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm done with the paintbrush. Just messing around with things. Okay, that's one that needed to be fixed right there. I know about these ones. So you need to essentially be painted across there. Is that what it was? Paint you. Yep. Send a photo that you can send to Hellboy for me, please. Got it. Save. I'll just send it to him on Discord because I've got it open. So when he comes back, we will tell him to go look at Discord. So that's fixed. The pallets there. That tree right here needs to be fixed. So that's the tree next to which building? This building. So you need to be, I think, this green. Hopefully that's fixed that. She doesn't want one. Oh, that's sad. We fix that one. Let's fix those trees there. So that's the tree next to this forest, which is that's this tree next to the forest. Which tree? Down there, you need to be fixed, and there needs to be fixed. Those two are done. Can't see any more trees there. It does look like a mushroom. Ooh, I saw another one. You need to be fixed. That one. That tree's done. That tree, which is in this bunch. Which one was it though? Here. Robots there, right here. Uh-huh. More trees that way. That's fine. That tree's done. I did not see that. So that panel right there needs to be fixed. I fixed those. Can we see any further up? No, we can't. Okay. Now we'll compile again and see how it goes. See if there's any pixel issues with the colors. Press start, new game. Welcome to the breakfast game. They do simple, go some ingredients stuff. Breakfast. Place number 1. Mail, please. I have to fix that too in the background. The door. Can't leave just yet anyway. Yeah, I need to get the key. Oh, this ending. Okay, banana cop ending. That's fun. Okay, those ones were fixed up. That's great. That's fixed up. Ooh, right there. Did not see that one right there. You. You. Pixel should be fixed up. Oh, tile. Done. Awesome. All done. All done. Ooh, some more that I didn't see right here. This is in front of right here. Okay, have I got that one selected? Oh, that was great. Yes, I know. Oh, I was waiting for that. Okay, that's all done. So the next thing I will need to work out, not fill pellets. So we want to go. I want to essentially copy this green one. So if I go new, should essentially be that, except I want to make this the darkest color. This is the second darkest color, which is what's that color? So 21. Um, 5, 5, 4, 40, 19. Final color is 65. Then why does it look nothing like it? 5, 4. 5. And now I want to go game world. Go here. This one, and then change that to palette 22. It's not quite what I was after. Okay, so what's the issue? It's the light green that's the problem, I'm guessing. The light green. So you, oh no, it's the second dark green. Damn. This one should be 27. 7, 18. Do, 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 do. 9. And the rest shouldn't be too far off. 30, 66, 84. Yep. Game world. There we go. Perfect. Kind of like how that door ended up by accident. But wasn't that just that? That's alright. I might switch it back to the green again. So, new. And the darkest of colors. So 10, 19, 15. 10, 19, 15. And look how that looks. Well, that's okay. I think that's more what I'm after. That green's fine. And I can get this color and just go. Ooh, bloop, bloop. Oh, damn. Just got to change this to this palette. And change this to this palette. I can actually go back to palettes and delete. Remove that palette. And then game world. Reused this scene so many times. It's alright though. I didn't have to. I could have probably done it with all one, but it was just easier in my head to work it out this way. Oh, do. Probably zoom out a bit and have a look. They all look how I want them to. Good stuff. Zoom back in. Alright, things that need to change now are Hellboy suggested there was an issue with a lamp, so if I just go and edit that, the lamp does not make a lot of sense. Just for logic. Control S, so that deletes you from everything, and now I can go building blocks. Probably 16 by 16 is fine. How are we going? 4 viewers. Who's the 4th one? You hiding? Or is it me? It might be me. It's been a bit buggy. set up Nightbot so everyone can lurk? What's Nightbot? Okay, so fixed up all of that. Now I need to color in some more stuff. Pretty happy with the basic color scheme of this area. Like it's very monotone, but like not crazy amounts. I'm kind of happy with how it looks. It's mostly this scene and these scenes here to match the aesthetic of the entrance hall. So this room will look like that room. So this should at least be there. I think the computer. It's a bot run by command, so if people watching the stream but are busy, they can lurk and get you to know where they're there, but AFK. Okay. Nightbot's a Twitch bot that can interact with chat through things like you could set up Discord and. Oh, okay, I understand. Okay, I'm following. We don't really have a Discordy thing for my Twitch, but yeah, I get what you're saying. What's this palette look like on the bed? Well, it's just a little bit of a lighter bed. It's not as exciting as I thought it was going to be. What about this? Green bed. Make one. No, I've literally got 3 followers and 10 views. So I don't think I'm quite there ready for the commitment of a server dedicated to me. That doesn't look right, does it? Pretty much like a Twitch newspaper. See, I don't even watch Twitch. Like, I don't have anybody I actively watch. So, I've got no idea about how Twitch works. Just in general. That does look weird, doesn't it? I think what needs to happen is that for one stream. Yeah, I know, it's not bad. This amount of followers for a very small stream. We got 4 viewers. 10 people have viewed it though, which is interesting. I wonder why they didn't stick around. Do you get achievements? That's cool too. Didn't know about that. Career updates. Yeah, it doesn't quite look right. But I think if I play around with some color palettes, I can get that to blend a bit better. Specifically this blue needs to be sorted. So that's what blue is that? That's the 5 months without a single follower view, and you yeah, I am doing pretty good. I'm also uploading it to YouTube after, so my YouTube's got significantly more people following me, even though it's not a lot. It's more than Twitch. Alright, continue with the theme of these being that color. I think they look. Oh no, maybe not. I don't know. Making this up as I go. Maybe look okay. Ooh. You gotta fix up. I should really have this on like that. That's also the wrong color. I think there's that color. Maybe that fridge different color. That's also wrong. Yes, I understand. No idea where the affiliate number is at. Yeah, I would imagine it's a bit hard to keep track of. For sale, but I'm in the UK anyway, so I don't think the typewriters here would be helpful without costing them. Like, yeah, that would be really heavy. That would cost a small fortune, I'd imagine. Oh, the ground's blue anyway. What am I doing? Switch back to you. Do, 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 do. Huh. Interesting. Oh, I see what I've done. That palette. Yeah, that's better. Do, 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 do. I think that kitchen looks okay, just color-wise. But I need to change the floors in here. Oh, Chewy, what are you going off about? Why are you being grumpy for? Can you hear him? Or could you hear him is the real question. No, it's still you. No worries, Hellboy. Got so much more coloring to do. Well, that's good. It's good that you can hear him. Now we're going to change that to my new palette here. And then same with you, change my new palette. And that's already done. They don't need it, they don't need it. Okay, that is all coming up pretty good. Pretty happy with how it's coming along. The game's almost done. Bit rate's okay too. I don't actually know how to tell how that's going, but 2000 kbps. Order some dinner. I'm going nuggets, by the way. The main one I got to focus on is this. This one needs to be perfect in terms of colors. Now I'm going to pull up the original. You don't have to be that big either. Okay, so how does it look when I... Oh, not you. Okay, not you. It's that one. Oh, I'm gonna have to make my own color palette. I'm not very good at color palettes, so let's see how I go. New one. Call you. Logo. So the lightest color should be as close to white as I can possibly get it, I think. That's probably the closest to white as I can get it. Now I think this would have been gone to the darkest, so that should be a reddy orange with browniness and maybe a bit more red. And go back to game world and load you as that. That does not look quite right. I still want it to be. Let's go Control Z. Fill. Okay, let's go back to color palette settings. Oh. And you. Essentially I want you the same color. 11. Oh, whoops. $3,069. Palettes. Game world. I didn't ask you to play, but okay. I'm gonna go Control S and save now. But you should, no, default palette should be logo. Oh, that's gone to the darkest. Okay, I understand what's going on now. Palettes, and then go darkest. Now you should be 22, tab 11, like 0. Now when I go game world, that looks way better. So now I can go and play around with those other two colors. Not backgrounds. Oops. Palettes. And you should be like a dark. And go file. Game world. And then go back to palettes. And you should also be like a dark. Now if I go game world, got a bit of color. Try to clean until it's need to use it. Yeah, that sounds about right. Now I think if I choose you and then just go like a bit lighter. Wait a second. I've lost the brown. Red. More green. But like up to there. We go game world. How does that look for the menu? Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it looked. Done. I'm quite happy with how this is turning out. Like the logo. That's how it looks in the Game Boy Color. Yeah, I just need to fix up some color stuff and some grammatical stuff, I think. Okay. Okay. Yep, awesome. No thanks. And next. Dinner is ordered. Awesome. What's next to work on? How long have I been streaming for? Almost 2 hours on my first ever stream that was by accident. And also my first ever stream. So. You know? Oh, I don't have... I am streaming indie dev. Where are we? There, you've got the link in here. Music, I can do some music stuff. Okay, so what music files do I have access to in my assets? Music. They're not the ones I want. I will delete. In assets, I should have a music.zip file. That's all rules as music. Okay, it's not quite what I want. GB Studio Community Assets is what I am after. Music. I think copying these should be fine. Breakfast game, assets, music, paste. I give that a second, and while that's doing that, I will be right back. I am back. Okay, so game world music, boss fight, compression. That's quite loud. Not that I want. Volume mixer. What? Volume mixer. 2BS down. That's still too loud. Okay. I like that one. What's that? Action Joyous Takeoff. So from home, music, play track, Action Joyous Takeoff. That can be the music for the main game. The title screen can have something a little bit nothing. This though, I was thinking. So for Dream, I would like to stop. Music stop. Stop. Right. So no music will play on Dream. Then for logo, action. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. I wanted just one of the later ones. So something like a radical intro. Jingle's radical intro, and then here we will go music stop as well. So the menu will be quiet. Maybe not. I can set the menu to be something else. Music. Darkstone, yes. Overworld Darkstone. I like that. But Dream should have no music. The music should start playing at home. That's what I think. You guys can't hear any of that because it's, well, yeah. But that's what I'm going for music. Music can be edited anyway, so this is just the demo. Control this. We can go game, export as ROM. And then this will be, I'm pretty sure, where I'm heading in terms of finishing. Okay. I think that's a lot of good progress today on the game. It's getting really close to being done. Also, I've never streamed, so not this way. I've streamed on Discord just by capturing my screen as a camera. Rename. So that's that. I will now upload this to the Retro Boys server under creations. What version was it again? Beta 9 of Beta 9 of the breakfast game. And uploaded. So if you want to play the game so far, it's getting really close. So yeah, we're getting there. Getting really close to finishing it up. And then the finished version will be available on the line. For free from itch. The project files will also be available, but they will be a donation type thing for GB Studio Central, which if you haven't seen, go check it out. My 3 viewers, because I write articles for them. So, you know, definitely check it out. I've written a number of articles there, which most of you should already know. Alright, I think I will end the stream there and do dinner, and then I might stream a little bit later. Probably not the game development, but yeah, you know, you get the idea. Alright, I will see you later. I don't know how to shut off a stream now. I've done this.